Choose an obstacle-free, open area to fly. Long press to power on. Hear a beep and see a flashing light indicates the drone is power on. Take out and install the joysticks. Long press for 3 seconds to turn on the remote. Automatic pairing takes about 50 seconds. Pull out the phone holder and put the phone on it, and then connect the phone with the RC cable. Enter the Veeniix Pro app. Please agree to the permission request for the pop-up window. Tap the control icon to enter the display interface. The V11MINI SE drone does not require calibration, so you can jump directly to the next step. After calibration is completed, start searching for GPS signals. When the tail light changes from slow green flashing to steady on, and the blue indicator light on the remote controller is steady on, it means the GPS search is complete and the drone can be unlocked and taken off. You can turn on or off beginner mode and set flight parameters as needed. Tap the takeoff icon of the app. Push the lever to the 5 and 7 o'clock positions to unlock the motors. You can push up the left joystick to take off. Left joystick adjusts the aircraft's altitude and nose direction. Right joystick control the directions of drone flight. Press to take a photo. Press to record video. Adjust the camera angle up and down. There are 3 speeds, you can switch at any time. Press 1 key return button. The drone will automatically return. In addition, if you want to fly indoors, please switch to attitude mode.